case is that? 2022?
It's 21.
Okay. Is Ernest Bush here? Sheila Morgan?
Oh, I must have put it in.
Oh, okay. On the record, in the matter of the people of the state of Michigan versus Ernest Eugene Bush, file number 21-00738 and 23-03168 and 24-00409. Council appearances.
Assistant Prosecutor Paige Petrosky on behalf of the people.
Assistant Public Defender Jacob Raleigh on behalf of Mr. Bush, who is present to my right.
How are you, Mr. Bush?
Good, how are you doing?
I'm doing well. Okay, I have one file with an assault and battery, another file domestic violence, and another file domestic violence set for pretrial today. How are we proceeding on this?
Your Honor, this time we'd be requesting that all of these matters be set for final pre-trial and trial dates.
Final pretrial, April 9th. Trial, April.
Well, two of them can go on the 19th. It's just, there's a case that's gonna run the jury trial, so I'm trying to.
Oh,
make sure I
that's
don't
fine.
put
You can set them all for that date, and then if it gets bumped, we'll figure it out.
Okay,
So we'll
so
set,
April 16th.
okay, set final pretrial on each for April 9th, 8 a.m. in person at the court. And then jury trial for each will be set for April 16th at this time, and then we'll address that as the time gets closer, because obviously we can't run 3 jury trials at the same time. And there are some other matters scheduled. I would imagine based on the file number 21, that might be a priority case though. So if one needs to go, that's more likely to go before the others. Trial. Do you have any questions for the court? Mr. Bush? Okay. Get you a copy of your notice to appear. Any additional matters for the record?
Nothing for the people.
I'll be present.
Thank you. Have- Oh, that's an arraignment, anyways, I think. Let's see. Ms. Gallagher Train.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, I see your client on, okay. On the record in the matter of the people of the state of Michigan versus Elia Ratumu. 24-00185, council appearance.
Assistant Prosecutor Paige Petrosky on behalf of the people.
Ashton Gallagher Train on behalf of Mr. Rutamo, who is present via Zoom this afternoon.
Okay, Mr. Rutamo, today was the date set for pre-trial. I have a failure to stop after a property damage accident and a reckless driving. Let's see. How are we proceeding? Was there
Yes,
an
Your
offer
Honor.
on this?
Yes, the offer was for Mr. Rutamu to accept responsibility to a civil infraction of impeding traffic, and we would dismiss the remaining counts. And it was my understanding that you'd be accepting that offer today.
Counsel, is that correct?
That is true, Your Honor.
Okay, the fine is $135. When can he make payment?
I believe he'd be able to make payment within a couple of weeks, if allowed, Your Honor.
What date are you gonna make payment on, sir?
Even tomorrow, Your
Tomorrow?
Honor. Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, I'll note here you'll pay by tomorrow.
Yes, Your Honor.
You can make payment on the court website. You'll just use your case number 24-00185. You have any questions?
No, Your Honor.
Okay, any additional matters for the record, counsel?
Nothing for the people.
Nothing for the defense. Thank you.
Thank you, you're all set.
Thank you, Your Honor.
You're welcome. Mr. Raleigh, who do you have?
Great Sims.
Okay, who do you have, Mr. Lee?
Rashida Morgan.
Okay, on the record in the matter, the people of the state of Michigan versus Rashida Morgan, file number 24-00240. Counsel appearance.
Assistant Prosecutor Paige Petrosky on behalf of the people.
Assistant Public Defender John May on behalf of Rashida Morgan.
How are you, Ms. Morgan? I'm well. Okay, today was the date set for a pretrial on assault and battery. Was there an offer?
Yes, Your Honor. Our offer would be for Ms. Morgan to plead guilty as charged with a kill of routine open jail.
Counsel?
We'd like to set the matter for a final pretrial, Your Honor.
Trial April 9th at 8 a.m. Trial April 30th at 8 a.m.
Okay, your final pretrial is going to be scheduled for April 9th, 8 a.m. in person at the court. Jury trial scheduled for April 30th at 8 a.m. in person at the court. Do you have any questions today, ma'am?
No, no.
We'll get you a copy of your notice to appear. You have an appearance, I don't know why it doesn't show up on the system.
Your hands up.
Yep. Arrest. Fingerprints. Yes. I don't see a cash bond. I don't see an appearance. Oh, no, do we have an appearance? Because it's not showing that the public defender is on the case.
It was like that for the other one. It was on the IRA, but it didn't like print.
Yeah, but
docket.
they don't
They
put a
must have
copy in
been
here.
doing right, yeah.
Oh, okay. You see it in the system?
I'm gonna look for her. No, we don't have
Okay, you don't have an appearance from your office. Can you have someone refile it, please? Thank you. Do you have any questions, ma'am?
it. No, no.
We'll get you a copy of your notice to appear.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome. Let's see. She was early. Is Brittany Padilla have a attorney? No? Okay. Brittany Padilla? Okay. On the record in the matter of the people of the state of Michigan versus Craig Sims, file number 23-01439. Appearance, please.
Brittany Padilla's here, I'm sorry.
Assistant Prosecutor Paige Petrosky on behalf of the people.
Okay, counsel.
Assistant Public Defender Jacob Riley on behalf of Mr. Sims, who's standing to my right.
Today's the date and the time scheduled for a pre-trial on a ORV operate license suspended or revoked. How are we proceeding on this?
This time we'd be requesting another pretrial date, hopefully at least 3 to 4 weeks out, so that Mr. Sims can get this license issue taken care of.
What time again? March 26th at 10:30. Do you have any questions for the court? Okay, any additional matters for the record, counsel?
Nothing for the people.
Nothing from the defense. Right?
Okay, we'll get you a notice to appear and then you'll be all set. Thank you. You too. Brittany Padilla?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, you can start your video. Okay, Ms. Padilla, do you have an attorney?
No, I do not. The public defender's office reached out and told me that I didn't qualify, and I don't know why I don't qualify. I'm on Section 8.
You're on
Mental-
Section 8. Are you employed?
Yes, I am.
Okay.
But I've worked like 30 hours a week.
Okay, maybe something got misunderstood in your application. Let me have someone log in and go over that so you can resubmit it, okay?
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome.
Good on it.
Thank you. Okay, and then Paige Smith.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon. On the record in the matter of the people of the state of Michigan versus Paige Smith, this is file number 23-00270. And Ms. Smith, today's the date set for arraignment on a probation violation. I have a request in summons for probation violation. It alleges that you committed the following technical probation violations. It says that you violated the amended order of probation from November 8, 2023, a formal violation submitted on sobriety court case 23712 STA, and that there were violations requested by probation officer Richardson on November 14, 2023, November 28, 2023, and January 2nd, 2024. So you have the right to have a contested hearing. You have the right to be represented by an attorney at that hearing if you're found to be in violation of your probation status. Your probation status here can be revoked and you can be sentenced to a term of jail time. Do you understand that?
I do.
Okay, you also can have additional oversight imposed at the court's discretion. Let's see. And you're on SoberLink at 54A, I'm sorry, 56A District Court, is that correct?
Correct.
Okay. Did you want to request an attorney to represent you for these violations?
Do I have to have like another hearing for this?
Well, you have the right to be represented by an attorney because you're facing jail time if you're found to be in violation.
Okay. Then yeah, I would like an attorney, please.
Okay, so we'll get you in a private meeting room with someone from the public defender's office and they'll get some information from you, okay? And I'm gonna get you a date for your hearing. I'm gonna enter a plea of not guilty at this time
Okay.
as to violation.
March 18th at 1:15.
March 18th at 1:15. Oh, they said it on the wrong date. Got it. March 18th, 1:15, in person at the court for the hearing.
Okay.
Okay, hang tight. Mr. Lee is logging in to meet with you. Do you have any questions?
No, Your Honor.
Okay, you're all set for now.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Have we seen Shawan?
You want that in person?
Yes, please. Ms. Smith, that you should have received a request to join the breakout room. Okay, and we need to give Ms. Padilla a new court date. Reset her pretrial.
March 26th at 10:30.
Ms. Padilla, we're gonna set it for March 26th at 10:30 for your next court date, okay?
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome. You're all set. Thank you, Mr. Raleigh. I don't know that I have anybody else here today.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.